Homelessness is a multifaceted issue afflicting cities globally, and Seattle is no exception. The 2024 point-in-time count, conducted by the King County Regional Housing Authority, revealed a staggering 68,385 individuals experiencing homelessness in Seattle and King County on a single night. This marks a significant 23% increase from the 2022 count. Even after adjusting for population growth, it's crucial to note that these counts are generally considered underestimates, suggesting the true number of homeless individuals could be even higher. Delving deeper into the data, a stark disparity emerges between sheltered and unsheltered homeless individuals. Approximately 40,810 people were living unsheltered, while the remaining 26,575 found refuge in emergency shelters or transitional housing. This indicates that nearly two-thirds of the homeless population in King County lack access to emergency shelters or transitional housing, highlighting a pressing need for more resources and support for those without a stable place to call home. The cost of homelessness in Seattle. Seattle has been on the front lines of addressing homelessness, dedicating substantial resources to combat this persistent issue. In 2020, the city allocated a significant portion of its budget, likely around $1 billion, specifically for homeless services with a primary focus on shelters. This investment has only grown over the years, with data from 2022 indicating that the city's expenditure on homelessness exceeded $1.4 billion. The increasing number of homeless individuals necessitates continuous and escalating investment. Reflecting this need, the Department of Homeless Services proposed a budget of $2 billion for the fiscal year 2023. However, looking ahead to 2024, estimating the exact cost of homelessness in Seattle is challenging. The debate over the effectiveness of current spending remains contentious. While some advocate for increased funding, others question the tangible results of such investments. A recent audit highlighted Seattle's shortcomings in evaluating the success of its programs, sparking concerns about the efficiency of transitioning people into permanent housing and whether the ongoing costs are justified. Research underscores a strong correlation between homelessness and rising crime rates, which has profound implications for the broader Seattle community. The increase in crime associated with homelessness fosters a sense of insecurity among residents and can deter tourism and business investments, further complicating the city's socio-economic landscape. Seattle, known for its scenic beauty and thriving tech industry, faces significant challenges related to crime, poverty, inflation, and the cost of living. High crime rates are a prominent issue, with the city experiencing more incidents compared to most other communities in Washington. In 2022, the Seattle Police Department reported a 4% increase in overall crime, translating to a crime rate of 90 per 1,000 residents. Violent crimes reached a 15-year high, and property crimes also saw a notable increase. These statistics suggest a heightened risk of becoming a crime victim in Seattle, with a 1 in 11 chance according to Neighborhood Scout. Poverty is another pressing concern, affecting approximately 15.8% of Seattle's population, which is higher than the national average. The Washington Office of Financial Management highlights a statewide poverty rate of 14.4%, indicating a significant issue at the state level as well. Notably, racial and ethnic disparities are evident, with Black, Indigenous, and Hispanic communities experiencing higher poverty rates compared to white residents. This underscores the economic inequalities within the city. Inflation has also hit Seattle particularly hard, with rates surpassing the national average. The housing market is a primary driver, with shelter costs rising by 8.9% in the past year. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports a 7.4% increase in the Consumer Price Index for the Seattle area, reflecting higher costs for groceries, transportation, and utilities. These rising prices disproportionately impact low and middle-income residents, eroding their purchasing power and forcing difficult financial decisions. The high cost of living in Seattle further exacerbates these issues. Housing prices are significantly above the national average, with Rent Cafe noting a 112% higher cost for rent and home purchases. The median rent for a one-bedroom apartment exceeds $1,500 a month, posing affordability challenges for many residents, including professionals earning average salaries. Additionally, grocery costs are about 25% higher than the national average, making everyday essentials more expensive and straining household budgets. These interrelated challenges of high crime rates, poverty, inflation, and living costs paint a complex picture of Seattle's urban landscape. Addressing these issues requires comprehensive strategies and policies that consider the city's unique economic and social dynamics. As Seattle continues to grapple with the complex issue of homelessness, the city's commitment to finding sustainable solutions will be crucial. Balancing immediate needs with long-term strategies, Seattle faces the challenge of not only providing shelter but also ensuring that these investments lead to meaningfulness and lasting change for its most vulnerable residents.